Hey guys, I just wanted to inform you about this trade idea that I have. This is Jinko Solar, ticker symbol JKS, and currently we are sitting at a very good position right now for a possible great move up. This is a downward wedge pattern. This is bullish, super bullish. As you can see, this parabolic rise, what makes you think this can't happen again? Now, this wedge pattern is not the greatest looking wedge pattern, but it's still a wedge. If this apex right here was a little bit more this way, so it's more trading sideways like this, then you would see a huge move most likely. But with this kind of wedge, initial breakout, you could easily see this coming up to the 50 period moving average right near this consolidation point. Um, very easily. And also, if you take a look, um, we are sitting on this support and these supports over here. So that's a great, and we got a very good bounce. And as you guys know, well, let's take the risk versus reward. You could enter this trade and set a stop loss just underneath this wedge. But if we fall out of this wedge, oh, it's most likely going to be a huge, just boom, just pop up. Because if we're going to fall out of this wedge, you can see there's a lot of support also right here around the 23. So if we were to fall out of this would be a super good entry point for some, massive gains. If we fell out of this wedge, easily 50%, easily 50%, and that's within a couple months. So this is a great trade, and I just wanted to let you guys know about it. And as you guys know, the market has also been super bearish. You can see this is the SPY. Hitting resistance, selling off really hard. And Jinko Solar hasn't really done much. Yesterday, we actually were up for the day, and today was just trading sideways. We can take a look at a different time frame. Let's take a look at the one week. This will get you a little big picture about this. Yeah, just wedge coming down. It's ready to pop. It's ready to pop hard. And initial move up here, we might get a drop back down, maybe get a double bottom. But this thing is ready to run. I don't know, we might not. Eventually, we will get back up here in the $60 range. So super good trade. Market hasn't been good. Take a look at that weekly candle. That's insane. But as soon as I want to show you one more thing. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Oh, what's that? The 4 hours. When we get around this range, 398, I think we're gonna just bounce so hard. We might not come all the way back up here. We might bounce, come up here, fall again, possibly to this support. As you can see right here, it's been support many times. And we also got the 50 period coming up. So if the market is going to be really bullish in the coming weeks, you could see Jinko Solar just have a major run, initial run. And currently I'm in June 18th, JKS Jinko Solar calls for June 18th. I'm looking at the $35 call, and I bought them for 160 today. And yeah, we'll see if we pop up here by June 18th, that's going to be a nice 300% for me. So $160 all the way to 600. And I'll risk a little bit. But yeah, I think this is a great setup that you guys should take a look at. And yeah, I'll catch you later.